GPT-5 has officially landed, and this might be the most dramatic upgrade we've ever seen in ChatGPT. We're talking about a single system that can handle text, images, voice, and even live video, all at once. Add to that a coding engine capable of generating full software projects on demand, and you get an AI that feels less like a chatbot and more like a complete operating system for your brain. This release changes the day-to-day role of AI completely. It's faster, smarter, more accurate, and far more personal. So let's break down exactly why GPT-5 is worth diving into the second you get access. One model to rule them all. In older versions, you had to juggle different models depending on your needs. GPT-4o for quick tasks, reasoning models for deep analysis, vision models for images. That hassle is over. GPT-5 is now the all-in-one flagship. It automatically routes your request to the right engine. Behind the scenes, there are two brains, GPT-5 main, optimized for speed. GPT-5. Thinking, slower, but designed for deep reasoning. You don't have to pick. The model makes that decision for you in real time. It even comes in 3 sizes, standard for the highest accuracy and biggest workloads, mini for balanced everyday use, nano for lightweight, budget-friendly tasks. If you burn through your standard quota, GPT-5 will automatically switch you to mini or nano instead of cutting you off. And don't underestimate them. Even nano outperforms the older GPT-3. Performance upgrades. This isn't just a rebrand. GPT-5 is sharper, faster, and significantly more accurate. Hallucinations, those fake facts AIs sometimes invent, are reportedly down 78% in reasoning mode. The context window is enormous. 256,000 tokens in ChatGPT and up to 400,000 through the API. That's close to 200,000 words. You can drop in a full novel, massive code bases, or entire research archives and it won't lose track. Multimodal superpowers. One of the biggest headlines, GPT-5 is truly multimodal. We're talking text, image, audio, and live video, all inside a single conversation. No need to swap apps. During the launch demo, GPT-5 spoke fluent French while generating websites, analyzed uploaded images in real time, and even gave live step-by-step repair instructions by watching a video feed. It can't generate video yet. That's still Sora's territory, but it can watch, understand, and guide you in real time. The voice mode also feels transformed. It adapts to the rhythm of the conversation, shifting tone, pace, and energy. Responses are faster, less robotic, and, finally, available inside custom GPTs, coding on demand. If you're a developer, GPT-5 is a straight-up game changer. OpenAI clearly set its sights on Anthropic's Claude, the coder's favorite. They even brought partners like Cursor and Windsurf to show it off. In one demo, GPT-5 generated 400+ lines of code in under 2 minutes, simulating Bernoulli's effect from scratch. It's not just code dumping. It can debug, run long multi-turn agents in the background, and build complex applications from a single prompt. Sam Altman himself called it software on demand. And honestly, that's the best description: personalization and memory. For the first time, GPT remembers. It can hold on to facts, goals, and preferences across sessions. Set a fitness target or exam prep plan. It will adapt and keep track day after day. You can also pick from 4 preset personalities: cynic, robot, or listener, nerd. They're designed to stop the yes man effect and add a layer of character to conversations. Assistant integrations. Back to GPT-5. This update also makes integrations smoother. Soon, it'll connect directly to Gmail, Google Calendar, and Contacts. No more toggling integrations manually. Once it's on, it just works. There are also quality-of-life touches like color coding your chats to stay organized. Safety and reliability. OpenAI isn't blind to risks. GPT-5. Thinking is flagged as high risk in areas like biology and chemistry. That means stricter safety filters, human review layers, and restrictions on sensitive queries. It's still hard to jailbreak, though advanced attempts can sometimes slip through. Hallucinations are way down but not eliminated. Medical advice is better, but still not a substitute for a doctor. Cybersecurity? It can't hack secure systems on its own, but in weak environments paired with human skill, it could pose risks. Pricing. Good news! ChatGPT subscriptions stay the same, plus at $20 per month, Pro at $200. API pricing is more competitive than ever, $125 per million input tokens, $10 per million output, standard. 25 cents per $2, mini. $0.05 per $0.40, nano. That makes GPT-5 Mini far cheaper than GPT 4.1 or O1 Pro, which cost up to $600 per million tokens. Use cases. So what's the point of all this power? Developers can debug and build software at scale. Analysts can process giant data sets. Creators can generate content, prototypes, and interactive designs. Businesses can run affordable workflows using Mini and Nano. Altman compared going back from GPT-5 to an older model is like switching from a Retina display to low resolution. Once you've tried it, you won't want to go back. Final thoughts. So between unified multimodal interaction, massive context windows, coding on demand, real memory, and tighter integrations, GPT-5 is the most complete AI that OpenAI has released. Microsoft clearly agrees. They integrated it into Copilot and GitHub on day one. If you've been casually using AI, this makes it easier than ever. If you're deep into coding, research, or content creation, it removes the need to juggle multiple tools. And thanks to Mini and Nano, it's actually affordable at scale. That's GPT-5. What do you think so far? Drop a comment, let me know your take, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.